Hello, happy morning my lovely students. How are you all? Oh, you are fantastic. That's great students. So students, we were on chapter? Yes, we were on chapter 7, that is fractions. We have already discussed some topics. Which were they? Let's have a quick recall on that. Students, open your textbook. This chapter starts from page number 52. Now, we have already discussed about type of fractions. We have discussed about equivalent fractions. Reducing a fraction to the lowest term on page number 55. We have discussed comparison of fractions on page number 57. And we have completed till our exercise 4. So now, in this video, we will be starting with our 5th exercise, that is addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. You can see there is filling the blanks, there are addition, how to add the fractions, there are subtraction, and here are two sums. Don't worry student, it is very easy and I know that my lovely students will enjoy. So now let's move to the further. So students, we will be starting with our topic of the day, that is addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Okay?
Fractions. To add or subtract mixed fractions, we first convert them into improper fractions. Then we convert unlike fractions into like fractions, if necessary. Finally, we add or subtract them to fractions. Example.
Students, you saw what was written there?
We first
Students, you saw what was written here? Let's read together once. To add and subtract a mixed fraction, we first convert them into improper fractions. अगर mixed fraction होंगे then it will be difficult for us to solve the sum. So we will convert it into improper fractions. Then we convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Unlike fractions, those fractions are whose denominators are not same. हम पहले mixed fraction से उन्हें improper fraction में convert करेंगे. Improper fraction से हम उन्हें like fractions में convert करेंगे. That means हम equalize करेंगे denominators को. Okay? Finally, we add subtract the two fractions. Okay? Now we will see the sum.
into improper fractions. Then we convert unlike fractions into like fractions, if necessary. Finally, we add or subtract them to fractions. Example, add 1, 3 upon 8, 1, 2 upon 3, and 2, 7 upon 12. Solution, 1, 3 upon 8 is equal to 1 plus 8.
Students, यहाँ पर हमें एक sum दिया गया है. In that there are 3 terms. 1, 3 by 8, 1, 2 by 3 and 2, 7 by 30. These all terms are in the form of improper fractions, or I can say in the form of mixed fraction. Yes, you got me right. So my students are paying attention, right? Okay, let's move further. ये जो तीनों terms हैं, they are in mixed fraction. Now I will convert them into improper fractions. आपको पता है already 8 ones are 8 plus 3. So 8 ones are 8 plus 3. तो मेरा आंसर क्या आएगा? 11 upon 8. When I convert them into improper fractions. Now let's take the second term. 1 2 by 3 equals to, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होगा? Multiplication. And then with the answer, this 2 will be added. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. So my result will be 5 by 3. Now let's solve the last term. 2 7 upon 12. 2 into 12 plus 7. 24 plus 7 equals to 12. So my answer will be 31 upon 12. Now, if you observe all the denominators, the denominators are not same. So, मुझे denominators को same करने के लिए I need to find out the LCM. I will find the LCM. See, a combined LCM. 8, 3, 12. 8, 3, 12. 2 4s are 8. 3 नहीं जाता 2 के टेबल में, तो it will be kept as it is. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 3 will remain as it is. 2 3s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. This 2 will remain here. If you wish, you can add this more step. 2 1 1 1. So when I count my LCM, that is 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. And 12 2s are 24. So now my LCM of this sum is 24. अब मैं क्या करूंगी? मैं सारे अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन जो मैंने अभी कैलकुलेट किया था, ये वाला 11 upon 8, 5 by 3, 31 upon 12, इन सबको मैं लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट कर दूंगी. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करना मतलब कि मैं सारे के डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर दूंगी. So what should I add to make this 8 into 24? 3. 8 3s are 24. So जो मैंने मल्टीप्लाई नीचे किया वही मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऊपर जाएगा. Okay students? Oh, you will get bored. Okay, we will solve a sum of this. But first of all, let's move to the properties. ये हम पूरा एक सम सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपको एक प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाएगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत इजी है ये सम, डोंट वरी. मैंने क्या किया, इन सबको 25 जनरलाइज किया, फिर मैंने इन सबको ऐड कर दिया. इट्स सो इजी, राइट? सो लेट्स मूव टू द फर्दर टॉपिक. डोंट वरी, वी विल सॉल्व सम. Now it comes to the properties of addition and subtraction on page. Students, now we will discuss the properties of addition and subtraction of fractions on page number 59. Then we will solve one sum. Okay students, hold on. Let's discuss the properties.
3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. But 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3 not equal to 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5. If we subtract 0 from a fraction, the answer is the fraction itself. Example, 5 upon 7 minus...
Students, let's discuss the properties. In addition, the order of fraction can be changed, but in subtraction it is not possible. In addition में subtraction को order change कर सकती हूँ, but in subtraction I am not supposed to change the order. If we subtract 0 from a fraction, the answer is the fraction itself. अगर मैं किसी fraction में से 0 subtract करती हूँ, तो मेरा वही का वही fraction will be my answer.
5 upon 7. If we add 0 to the fraction, the answer is the fraction itself. Example, 5 upon 7 plus 0 is equal to 5 upon 7.
So students, the third property is, if we add 0 to a fraction, the answer will be the fraction itself. The same property which is in second. So students, are you ready to solve a sum with that? Let's move it. So students, we will be starting with our exercise 5 on page number 59 of your textbook, and we are on chapter number 7, that is fractions. Now in this video we will solve one sum of addition. We are selecting F sum. Okay. And the question is 3 plus 1 4 by 9 plus 2 2 by 3. अब ये तो दोनों improper fractions में है या नहीं? Yes, we will convert this into improper fractions. They are in mixed form. Now let's convert it. See, ये 3 as it is ही रहेगा. 3 के नीचे we don't have denominator. We will add 1 as a denominator. Okay, the plus sign will remain as it is. 9 ones are 9 plus 4. If you wish, you can show this calculation as well. See, 1 into 9 plus 4 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 plus 4. 10, 11, 12, 13. So I can say that 13 upon 9 plus, now when I convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, what I will be getting? 3 2s are 3 into 2 plus 2 divided by 3. So my answer will be 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3. Okay students, so I can turn my page now. Okay. So my improper terms were 3 upon 9 plus 13 upon 9 plus 8 by 3. 13 upon 9 plus 8 by 3. Now students, what I will be doing? Yes, now I will try to equalize the denominators. For that, I will use LCM. See, LCM 1, 9, 3. 3 ones are 1 will remain as it is. 3 3s are 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are. So my LCM will be 3 into 3 equals to 9. So my LCM will be 9. Now I need to generalize this 9 into all the denominators. Let's do it. हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे जो मैं यूजुअली करती हूँ. 3 क्वेश्चन लिखा 1 प्लस 13 अपॉन 9 प्लस 8 अपॉन 3. सिंपल ऐसे लिख लो, आपके लिए बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ आई नीड टू जर्नलाइज द 9. 1 में मैं क्या इंटू करूंगी जिसका आंसर मुझे 9 मिलेगा? यस, 1 into 9. So this 9 will be also be added to the numerator. 9 तो already 9 है, so I will add 1. 9 ones are 9, 13 ones are 13. 8 upon 3. What should I multiply to this 3 to make it 9? Yes, 3 3s are 9. आपने एक चीज ऑब्जर्व की that this term, the numerator and the denominator is same. We have to keep this same. Then only our sum will be correct. Okay students, see now. 9 3s are 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 27 upon 9 plus 13 ones are 13 upon 9 plus 8 3s are 24 upon 9. अब आप देखोगे कि सबके डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, सो आई कैन डायरेक्टली ऐड 27 plus 13 plus 24 9. 27 plus 13 40. 40 plus 24 50 60 64. So I can say that 64 upon 9. अब 9 के टेबल में 64 जाता है. Calculate it. Oh, if you wish, you can write the table also. Okay. See. You know this short 9, 8, 7, 6. It goes in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember the shortcut key? Oh, you will be dividing. Okay, students. So, students, here we complete one solution. When you will divide the answer, this numerator will remain the same. Question will be coming and the remainder will be up. So, students, now your worksheet part. So students, your homework will be question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 3 and question number 4 we will be discussing in next